Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your weather authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. We are now officially a week from Christmas, and speaking of that Christmas weekend, we'll start out the weekend with some dry weather here, but as we head through the week, we're going to see the clouds build in, and by Friday, we'll get our first push of rain and thunderstorms. We've got a very just juicy Pacific storm system that's going to settle in over the weekend, so we will likely see rain on Christmas Eve, and I think at this point there's a decent chance that rain will stick around into Christmas Day as well. It could be a pretty soggy weekend as the forecast model is showing a lot of areas picking up maybe 2 inches of rain or so with the rain through the weekend and into early next week. No rain today though. It will have sunshine, and this will kind of mirror what we went through on Sundays. We'll likely start out the morning with some patchy to dense fog, and temperatures area-wide will likely be in the 30s at sunrise, but should have some great afternoon weather today. Most of us will reach at least the low 60s, and I-20 and southward, including Shreveport, we should wind up in the mid-60s today, so it will feel exactly like it did on Sunday. And there is another dry cold front that's going to pass through today, and we'll feel some of that colder air take over tonight. Not that it's not cold this morning, but will actually be a few degrees colder tonight as well as tomorrow, so we'll tap into some of that cooler air just to the north of us. So Robin's Toyota Futurecast will continue to show the sunshine through the day today. Again, that front that comes through will kind of reinforce the dry air for another 24 hours or so, but by tomorrow afternoon we'll start to see some of the clouds move back in here, and that's what's going to set us up with those cloudy skies through the middle of the week. But your lows tonight, I think everybody after midnight will dip below freezing for a few hours, so you may want to cover up the plants and of course bring your pets inside tonight. We'll be in the 20s along I-30, and then low 30s I-20 and southward, so look out for some frost there again tomorrow morning. And as far as the upcoming weekend here, rain is going to pick up. Potentially could see some rain here by Thursday night, but Friday is looking to be a pretty soggy day at this point. I know a lot of folks may have some travel plans into or out of town late this week and into the weekend. The way things stand right now, we may get a little bit of a break from the rain on Saturday, but rain will be back with us likely Christmas Eve, and I think there's a good chance that we'll see some of this rain into Christmas Day as well. Given we are a week away, we don't have all the finer details ironed out here, but temperatures will likely be in the 60s with the rainfall, so it's going to be kind of a cool rain, not necessarily a cold one, but we're just waiting to see if there's enough warm air out there that will generate any kind of severe weather threat for us. Right now, the outlook for any severe storms pretty low, but I would say can't be ruled out, especially late in the weekend or early next week, so we'll keep you updated on that. But again, some heavy rain likely to close out the weekend on and off through the holiday weekend.